Welcome back to my channel. And just ignore the elephant in the room. I'm so sorry, guys. If you hear any noise in the background, it's actually my fan and the generator. I'm still in Nigeria, guys, and there's no light at the moment. So I'm going to record a video. I need to make it work, and unfortunately, it has to be with the generator on. So when they bring light, if they do while I'm filming this video, I'll turn the AC on and the noise will disappear. But right now, unfortunately, guys, I try and edit out any noise that I can in post-production. Jumping right into the video, I wanted to come on here and do kind of like an updated wash and go for my type 4 natural hair. I have multiple different hair textures. Wash and go routine hasn't really changed that much. Some of the products that I use definitely are a little bit different than I was using before. The actual method that I use to get my results are actually the same. You guys may notice that from my last video that I posted a few months back, that my hair is actually shorter now. I did actually do a cut last week, and I also cut a little bit again today just to really get the shape right. The bottom of my hair is so much more looser that when I wear wash and goes, it hangs really low, even though it's the same length as the rest of my hair. So I kind of have to cut it a lot shorter than the rest of my hair. Let me just show you where the back of my hair is reaching now. A clip in the video where I show where it was reaching before. It reached about here in today and cut a little bit more off. So definitely a lot more volume, a lot more movement. The shape's just a little bit more better, and also my ends are a little bit healthier, more healthier, not a little bit, a lot healthier, because for this cut they were raggedy. I've actually been starting off now by actually detangling my hair before getting into the shower, which is something I didn't really used to do before. When my hair's a little bit more tangled up, it's probably the best thing for me to do is to actually detangle before jumping in the shower. Tangled, sprayed some water in it. I didn't add any extra product. I just used a slip of the product that was already in my hair to kind of get through it. Did a little bit of finger detangling. I actually do like to use a comb, so I just use a wide tooth comb as normal. I then hop into the shower and I go ahead and shampoo my hair. My hair. I've actually been trialing out this shower head, which was sent to me by Vit-C Hair and Bod. Vitamin infused shower kit, and this is the packaging that it came in. Shower itself. It's very easy to connect. You connect it up to your shower head, run your hot water for maybe like a minute or so to activate the vitamin C. You notice a difference in the pressure of the water when actually using this shower head.
The replaceable Vit-C shots are cruelty-free and contain natural ingredients.
2 buttons on the shower head here where you can increase the pressure of the water. I do notice that it does make my hair feel softer while using the product. I've actually been using that, trialing that over the last kind of like 2 weeks. I can only assume that with prolonged use you would see more results, not just on your hair but also on your body as well. Vitamin C is fantastic for cell rejuvenation, so it's fantastic for the body, for the skin, give you that glowing exfoliating skin. In addition to that, the shower head has a really nice citrusy smell. At the moment I'm actually using Afro-G, a lot of Afro-G. I'm using the Carotene and Green Tea shampoo from Afro-G, and I'm just going and shampoo my hair, and you can really see that the shower head really is softening my hair. You see that in the video. I'm really elongating my curls. So once I've finished shampooing my hair, rinse that out, then I go straight in with the Carotene 2-minute reconstructor. For a very long time that my hair is actually moisture sensitive, so I find it easy to moisturize my hair, and then what happens is that my hair is over moisturized, so then it feels very mushy to the touch. There's no structure. So I find that I do need protein. So I tend to do protein every week, and then I kind of try to balance the moisture by using moisturizers, making sure that I'm misting my hair daily. And also as well, I live in a climate at the moment which can be humid, so that kind of combats that. And the hair products that I use have humectants, so it kind of like balances each other. balances each other out. Throw my shower cap on, or a plastic bag, whichever one I've got to hand. Guys, let me know down below, do you guys wear a shower cap when you deep condition, or do you just reach for a plastic bag? Because for the longest time I've just used plastic bags. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because like I've got loads of plastic bags. I collect them in droves when I go to shopping, just so I can use them as trash or trash bags, or I can use them to condition. But what do you guys do? Let me know down in the description bar whether you use a shower cap or whether you use bags. But I thought, let me be a bit bougie and get myself some shower caps, which I got. So as long as those last, I'll use them. I don't know if I'm going to re-up, but we'll see about that. So once I've done that, I kind of like, yeah, just leave it sitting in my hair for about 5 minutes, take my shower, and come out, put my hair in twist before putting the shower cap on, obviously. Take my shower, rinse that off, finish everything else I've got to do inside the shower, hop out, and then I kind of like just start with my styling process. I've gone back to using the Pro Vitamin leave-in conditioner. For the OGs to my channel, you would know that I actually use this leave-in conditioner in quite a few of my very, very, very early videos here, almost like kind of like 10 years ago now. This is kind of like the leave-in conditioner I was using. I was using it with the Paul Mitchell's, the one conditioner, the one leave-in conditioner. I used those two together, and I just found that those worked for me. So I've kind of like just gone back to this. Go in to use the creme brulee, Curls creme brulee, whipped curling cream. So this is actually the first time I use this product, and I kind of like was just looking for products that I can use on my natural hair that were heavy enough to stop the crunch from the gels that I use, but wasn't going to leave my hair really sticky. Because what I was doing before was I was using glycerin underneath my gels, and I just found that my hair was just extremely sticky and had just a lot of residue and build up throughout the week. So first time I'm using this, I like the way that my hair looks at the moment, and I kind of guess I'll keep you guys updated in terms of whether I like it or not. I'll probably do that on my social media, Instagram, and I'm Omowumi Akin Lagoon on Instagram, so you can follow me there, and I'll kind of like keep you updated when I've used this, maybe like 2 or 3 more times, how I like it. I'll keep you updated over there. So I'd use that underneath my gel. And then I have been using the curling gel souffle from Shea Moisture, and I found that this can kind of do the same kind of thing glycerin does, where it makes your hair very sticky. So you can only use a very tiny bit of this, literally just dip, and any excess, let any excess fall off, and then just put it in your hair. So then I use that on top of the creme brulee, a very tiny, literally the tiniest amount. When you think that you haven't got enough, it's drip some off. When you think it's not enough, drip some off, because it's enough. So I just use that in conjunction with the creme brulee today. Did you guys think that I was going to do a wash and go video without mentioning this product? Guess what product it is? Guess down below what this is. You guys know already, right? Eco Styler Gel. I'm still using this damn Eco Styler Gel. It's even more difficult here in Nigeria because there's not really a lot of alternative gels in Lagos to kind of like actually trial out. I am kind of on the hunt, and when I actually go on holiday, I will be stocking up a lot on products, so I can be doing a lot of kind of not reviews, but I can do some wear tests using different gels on my hair with different combos, and just bring you more content for ladies who have similar hair to my hair texture. An Eco Styler Gel on top of the creme brulee and a tiny bit of the Shea Moisture curling souffle. I just rake it through and slightly shingle, just kind of let the curls fall as they may. Glide my finger through where it splits, I'll let it split. Nothing particularly fantastic, I don't twirl it or anything like that. And it's kind of like the result. It's not completely dry, as you guys can see. It's still a bit wet, but it all kind of looked white before. So I know that my hair is not going to dry white. That white will kind of like disappear. But I kind of like the way my hair feels. It feels very hydrated. This side is more dry than the other side because there's more hair on this side. Yeah, it definitely feels very hydrated. Sorry, I'm just using my viewfinder as my camera, so as my mirror, because my mirror is on this side, so I have to go out of shot to look. So my hair definitely feels hydrated, it looks good, there's definition, and yeah. So definitely be sure to head over to Vitsy Hair Plus Bod. Check out the shower heads that they have over there, the packages that they have, the kits that are within your price range. Fantastic for helping with the quality of water. And just really, vitamin C is fantastic for cell rejuvenation. I've had this channel for like more than 10 years now, and I just want to really get on it, be consistent, F what anybody has to say about it, and just do what I've got to do, because I want to share my journey with you. I watch videos of other women doing it. It really helps me on my journey, and I want to grow this hair. I want my hair curly to be like here, like curly here. I'm okay with it curly here and then stretch like down here. So yeah, I'm on that journey, and I share that journey with you guys and discuss how I'm going to get there in the future. But this video today was literally just wanted to show you this bomb ass wash and go, which is actually looking really good. If you could just give me some inspiration down below, let me know the types of videos that you want to see. I get on it, use the resources that I have, stop waiting to have more for things to be perfect. I just want to just jump on it. So yeah, so I'm aiming, guys, for 3 videos a week. That's what I'm aiming for currently. Let's see if I can make it happen. If you have any particular videos that you've ever wanted me to make, or you've wanted to see, just by watching this video, you can link it down below. Weight loss, because you guys may have noticed I've lost a bit of weight. I've put some of it back on, a little bit of it back on, but I have lost a lot of weight, and I am going to be taking you guys on that journey of me losing the weight that I gained back. We'll make maybe 1 or 2 videos of the weight loss here, just to give you guys like a teaser of what those videos gonna be like, and everything else from that point on will be over there. So yes, do you guys like this top? Show it to you. My cute little top that I had made here. Yeah, so I just really love this top. I think it's just so cute. Random, I know, it's just so random. Anyway, thank you guys for always supporting me, sticking with me. I'm just trying to navigate this Lagos space. It's not easy. It's not a conventional city. It's nothing that you will ever experience, and I'm just trying to stay sane here. So thank you so much for bearing with me. I will be posting on Instagram regularly again, so you can follow me there. I'm Omni Akinlagan, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.